This device can detect up to 30 different pathogens with one sample by one test. Inside the reagent pack, we can find the negative and positive control, MC reagent, RB reagent, and sample extraction buffer. We can find a GenDx on the right side. The first step is to start a machine by pushing the power on button on the back side of the device. The device will begin self-checking, making sure the device is in good condition. Now the operator can input account information and password. The account information is admin. Default password of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the operator push the login button to log in, and then push the setting button to enter setting interface. The user can customize the setting and then push the home button to return to home page. This is the second step, sample preparation. The operator takes sample from the patient with oral pharyngeal swab. After sampling, the operator put the swab into the sample extraction buffer tube. The operator rotates the swab clockwise and counterclockwise for respectively 15 times to fully release the sample. And then the operator break the swab at the breaking point. And then screw up the lid of the tube. The operator reverses the tube for 8 to 10 times to completely mix the sample with the sample extraction buffer. Let the sample extraction buffer stand inverted for 3 minutes. Take out a pipette with 100 mul volume and set the volume at 45 mul. And then transfer this 45 ml MC reagent to RB reagent tube. Squeeze the process sample inside the sample extraction buffer and drip the solution drop by drop into the RB reagent tube. Just make sure the total solution reaches the scaling mark of 750 mul. Screw up the RB reagent tube lid and reverse the tube for 8 to 10 times. Make sure the sample mix up well with the reagent. Take out a GenDx with the stick side facing upwards. Remove the opening sticker on the injection pore. Take out a 1000 mul pipette with the volume of 660 mul. Take out 660 mul solution with the pipette. Point the pipette tip vertically to the injection pore of the gene chip, making sure the pipette tip matches the injection pore completely. Push the solution from the pipette to the GenDx continuously with same power without any stop. By this way, we can avoid air coming inside the GenDx after finishing adding the sample. Quickly use the sealing sticker to seal the injection pore to avoid leakage or any contamination. Transfer the GenDx to the tray of the device horizontally. Open the cover of the device. Screw off the fixing device of the tray. And match the sticking out place of the GenDx to the groove of the tray. Screw up the fixing device. Close the cover of the device. Click New Detection to enter the interface of sample detection page. And then click Start button to begin detection. The device will begin to operate according to the set parameters, and it will also show the remaining time. When the test is over, the device will show the result of control and all the other parameters. Click the curve icon to see the according amplification curve. Orange color is for positive, green color is for negative.
Quickly place the used gene chip into the dedicated biohazard bag. and then dispose of the biohazard bag cautiously.